Good afternoon, folks. Welcome back to the channel. It's Hong once again, and as you can see, I'm in the Jeep today. Different kind of scenery for once. I'm just making my way to Princess Auto to pick up some supplies for my next Jeep project. I ordered a half-inch heater hose last night, and it is ready for pickup. So I'm on my way there. Oh, actually, almost there. I'll be there. Actually, I'm actually here right now. So, but yes, a couple of days ago, I received in the mail my oil catch can kit from Ruien. Ordered these off of Amazon for just $37 or so. So yeah, that is the next project. Like I mentioned, it is a kit. Comes with all the fittings. It does come with the hose for it, but it is garbage. So hence, I'm getting new hose today, and hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Here, I'm just gonna jump in and grab that hose. We are gonna do a quick unboxing of the Ruien oil catch can from Amazon. A lot of YouTubers have reviewed this. This is a very affordable catch can. This one cost me $37. There are cheaper ones out there, and depending on size and all that, so the price is gonna fluctuate depending on what you get. But they do go up to $300 or so from Mishimoto, I believe. That's the brand. So like I said earlier, this is a universal kit. It does come with everything you need except a mounting bracket. So you will need to come up with something to actually mount the oil catch can in your vehicle. You know, brackets, zip ties, whatever works for you. So let's just get into the box itself. Here you have the catch can, solid. I believe this is aluminum, and it's pretty solid. So here, I'm just gonna unscrew it. It's like this. You have a dip stick here to see how full the can is, and then you have this little what you call a filter, I guess, to filter out the oil from the gas. Alright, so that's that. Then you have assortments of fittings, different sizes. There's 3 sizes, small, medium, large, I believe. So you have that. You got some tape for the fittings. Then you have your baffle. This goes in the can itself. So what you do is take this, stick it in, and then this will help catch the oil from the gas mixture, the air mixture, sorry, and it'll be like that. Then you have this tube, this really crappy tube that they provide, which I won't be using. So I can just check this on the side here. You know what? Just leave that there. And I purchased this heater tube from Princess Auto, roughly around $11. You can get them by the foot. So I think it's $1.39. So this is a half-inch heater tube, and I think this is enough. Probably more than enough than I need. So this will replace this little thingamabob here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. You just put the fittings on, and then this goes in between the PCV, positive crankcase ventilation tube that runs out of your crankcase. So pretty straightforward, and then goes in, goes out, and then does its job, filters out the oils from the gas. So you have a good day, right? So why would you want a oil catch can in your vehicle, you may ask? Well, it's pretty simple, right? It's gonna increase the lifespan of the engine itself. Maybe save you a couple bucks, save you one less visit to the dealer, or to your mechanic. But definitely, I think it's worth the $37 to have this installed to help clean up the crud that is going back into the crankcase itself, right? To summarize everything and how everything works together, I'm going to try to explain this in the simplest manner possible. If I miss anything or anything is incorrect, please do correct me in the comments below. So when the internal combustion occurs, it produces unwanted gas, and that gas is known as the blow-by, which gets leaked through the combustion chamber and passes through the piston rings, and then gets routed back out through the positive crankcase ventilation, or PCV, which usually is a single tube with a vacuum. And in the Jeep's case, it's a single tube from the back to the front, and it connects to the manifold. And what we're going to do is just simply place this in between, and the bad gases, the combusted gas, goes to the inside, to this end right here, and then gets routed back out. Well, once it's cleaned, it gets routed back through the out and back into the manifold. So hopefully all of that residue gets captured in here, and we're gonna have a good day. All right, that's pretty much the gist of it. So let's get out into the garage, find a home for this, and go from there. All right, I'll see you in the garage. Okay, folks, we have the engine cover removed, and right here is the PCV tube, which we would be putting the oil catch can in between once we figure out where to put this guy. So as you can see, I just removed it a little bit, and there is some oil right there. And let's see, let's go inside here. Yep, there's some shiny bits, some oil. So that's where the tube is going to be. So that seems to be easy to remove from this side. This side's a little bit tougher. There's some ridges here that's holding it in. I might just have to cut this off and then add the tubing and route it underneath here somewhere, and to have it on this side. Definitely there's no space on this side at all. The whole dual battery system takes up everything. This box gets in the way, and this cold air intake is pretty big, right? So originally I wanted to put it back there, but that's not going to work because the dual air compressor is going to take up that whole area, and maybe a little bit over here. So ideally I want it hanging right here, like literally right here. This could be pushed in, right? This goes right here, and then there is a screw right here. So come up with a bracket that extends out this way, and then attaches to these two holes somehow. Do that, have it here, but that's gonna take some time. I thought about putting it right here, but this dipstick's gonna get in the way when I close the hood, so that's not gonna work. So yeah, hit a little snag for now. But if you have any suggestions, that would be great. If you can leave that in the below comments, that would be awesome. But for now, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video once I figure out this bracket and where I am gonna put this catch can. Alright? You guys have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.